In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice from Walmart. Whether you need it for record keeping, reimbursement, or just organizing your accounts, I'm here to guide you step by step through the online process and provide tips on what to do if you encounter any issues. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Walmart's official website, walmart.com. Here, you'll sign into your personal Walmart account. You'll find the sign-in option at the top right corner of the home page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one using the email you use for your purchases. Having an account ensures all your transaction records are available for you to view at any time. Once you've successfully signed in, locate your account icon. It looks like a little silhouette of a person, and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu featuring various options related to your account. From this list, select Purchase History. This section comprehensively lists all your past orders made under that account. In your purchase history, carefully find the order you need the invoice for. Once located, click on View Details under that specific order. This will open up a more detailed view of your transaction, including items purchased, quantities, and total price. Within this detailed view, you'll see options to print receipt or download invoice. Click on the option that best matches your needs and voila, you have your invoice. This document can be saved on your device or printed out for physical documentation. Now, what happens if you can't seem to find your invoice or perhaps misplaced it? No worries, Walmart offers solutions for such situations. Firstly, you can navigate back to the main page, scroll down to the bottom, and click on the Help link. This will direct you to a customer service page. On the customer service page, Walmart provides a live chat feature. Simply click Chat with Us. During this chat, explain your situation to the helpful customer service team who can guide you through recovering your missing information. Moreover, if you still require assistance or need a receipt for an in-store purchase, Walmart's customer service is available both online and at their physical locations. When heading over, remember to take relevant transaction details, such as the store location of purchase, the date of purchase, the payment method used, including the card type, and last four digits of your card and the total amount paid. With these details, Walmart staff can assist in retrieving a copy of your receipt or invoice, so there you have it. Now you know exactly how to get an invoice from Walmart, ensuring you're always prepared, whether for personal records or professional requirements. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides.